So these vacuum bags, I just had these left over from a canister vacuum cleaner. Apparently, or supposedly, the adult size for a face mask is 6 by 9. And that's almost exactly what these are. So I'm just going to pull this off. I'm going to cut that out behind it. So my thinking is to cut this out. That's where the face will be. In case of a rip in the bag by accidentally cutting it, you can patch it with tape. This covers coughing just as well and can't get excess germs inside the mask. For the next step, unravel the paper clips that you have. This is for wrapping around your nose so the mask is tight against your face. You might want to bend the ends of the paper clip so it doesn't poke a hole in the mask. Once that's done, simply tape the paper clip on the side of the mask. In this final step, you are going to take the elastic and cut it accordingly to fit around your ears. Staple the elastic onto the mask. 1 or 2 will do the trick. As you can see, I missed. Other materials may work as well in place of the elastic, like rubber bands. If you can't find this type of elastic, elastic works best for this mask though. Not too fashionable, but this gets in the way of the eyes. Maybe we cut this down right at the nose. It's not too bad to breathe in it. They say it is. The cotton t-shirt and the pillowcase they say is better for breathing. This isn't horrible. So maybe we'll try to adjust this so you can see better. But it's comfortable, light. Mm-hmm.